Just fool on a little. You just see them. Go on more. Oh, watch it. Some more could come now very primitive skill, charcoal skill. Now pick your ball and see it. I put one more there, sir. Cool there, sir. Hmm? Wood? Breeze start blow. Yeah. See tree leaves them move, so it start smoke up more. Cold skill. Yeah, the cover back down now, eh? Hmm? Copy them then. And like this. Sure. Put them in on this. No, I say you. You see them? So them never. Back here, say. Okay. And then they're ready. It's a part 12, partner ready. 2 more days. Chunk smoke like chimney. You know one young youth, you're one primitive man. Primitive man a long time, man. A primitive skill. So who teach you that skill? Watch your older man name. And rob your older man name skill. Hmm? The man push too much now. Will come on there, so. So it's a put effect around the sun. Start the drop. Too much oxygen. Yeah, but the fire must change. I get some oxygen, so I must blaze up. So which one I do it dry? Because one look well brown, one you put on. The funny, one you put on no dryer. I want it up on the fire dryer.
One just put on dryer.
So the one you like the steam and make it wet. Somebody said let me get £100.
100 bag.
Don't sell by the pound, sell by the bag. So smoke on, yeah, smoke different now. That means say it blaze up and I do a different thing, you know. Because you make it a breed here, so charcoal skill. Primitive skill. Cook. I need to jerk pork and chicken. Link you up when we finish. Hmm? Don't you remember then somebody in here? And they got someone on call and I said, yo, what's back? I remember I took a hard to get that in time and so I said, alright. Exactly. So this is charcoal used to jerk chicken and pork. So this is the Jamaican way. People all over the world do it in different method and style. This is how I see them do it in Jamaica from I was a boy. Greetings from Boston. Big up Boston, man. Yeah, that we are Boston. Big up everybody around the world. This is streaming live from St. Catherine, Jamaica. The streaming is different. I don't normally stream these type of thing, but I see it in action. I put it to the world. Nothing is wrong with that.
No.
Alright, so this live will end in 1 minute. So when the product is finished, then I might send a video showing the ending product. I will send a video showing the ending product. Thank you all for watching. Do remember to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like if it's the first time here, to see the follow-up video.